Hello, guys. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. Welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. Guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss around AIRDA Assistant Manager 2025 overall exam pattern, and if you are preparing for RBI Grade B, so what are the similarities and how to cover that insurance portion, and साथ ही साथ क्या differences हैं, so that we are also going to discuss. So soon you guys will receive notification from AIRDA itself regarding your assistant manager. Most probably the vacancies will be in between 40 to 50 for the general post. So कैसे आपको प्रिपरेशन करना है and what additionally you have to prepare if you are preparing for other regulatory bodies examination, especially RBI grade B, that we are going to discuss in this particular one, right? So when it comes to AIRDA, so again we have three phases: phase 1, then phase 2 and interview. So when it comes to phase 1, we have these many subjects which are generally part of this one. So we have reasoning, 40 question for 40 marks, and English, 40 question for 40 marks, your general awareness, 40 question 40 marks, and your quant, 40 question 40 marks. Still 160 question for 160 marks. So each marks one question, right? And you'll get 90-minute time to solve 160 question. And when it comes to the level of the examination, so if you are preparing for RBI Grade B Phase 1 as well as any banking examination, especially at PO level, right? So let's say if you are preparing for SBI PO or IBPS PO, so you will see the similar level of competition or the questions level in this particular one. So once you're done with the phase 1, now the phase 1, phase 2, the real challenge will start, right? So if it comes to phase 2, it is full of descriptive, right? So we have three papers. One is English, so descriptive questions taken. The another one is economic and social issues impacting insurance, and third one is insurance and management. Now in case of IRDA descriptive, so the question will reflect on screen and you have to write on the paper, right? So अभी तक का जो structure है वो इस तरीके से, maybe they can also shift to the online typing and all. Nowadays these things are happening, ठीक है? But अब जो पिछले साल तक का जो structure था, that was something like this, ठीक है? So for every subject you will get 100 marks and 1 hour each, right? So 100 mark, 100 marks, 100 marks, ठीक है? So basically यहाँ पे ऐसे procedures, यहाँ पे you'll get some topic related to economic issues with reference to insurance, like insurance penetration or the overall growth and others, and insurance and management, core insurance related topic which you'll get in this particular phase also, right? So candidate must appear for all three papers in phase 2 descriptive examination, and you'll get separate call letter for this one. Timetable for phase 2 descriptive examination will be intimated to the candidate concerned along with the call letter of phase 2. phase 2 descriptive examination will consist these three papers, ठीक है, जो आपका यहाँ पे रहने के लिए मिलेंगे, ठीक है. So now देखो, अब यहाँ पे और चीजें कहीं ना कहीं, if you are preparing for RBI grade B, obviously you are preparing for these two subjects, ठीक है. यहाँ पे भी you just have to add the insurance part. जैसे if you are studying regular PIBs thing or your financial current affairs, तो जो इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर से रिलेटेड या एडा की जो नए नोटिफिकेशंस हैं या सर्कुलर्स हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको काफी ज्यादा हेल्प करने वाले हैं. अब दूसरी चीज, दिस इज समथिंग न्यू जो यहाँ पे आपका रहेगा इंश्योरेंस वाला पोर्शन. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंश्योरेंस, दे हैव गिवन दिस मच ऑफ करिकुलम, ठीक है, जिसमें कुछ उन्होंने स्पेसिफाइड टॉपिक आपका दिए हैं, जिसमें history and principle of insurance, risk and uncertainty, planning and diversification of risk, indemnity and insurable interest, legal foundation of insurance and type of insurance policies, intermediation in insurance, function of insurer, and emerging concept of insurance. Apart from this, insurance line or end product, like property, liability, life insurance and annuities, and health insurance, liability risk and insurance, valuations and solvency requirement. Specialist insurance line in India, like agriculture, export credit guarantee, reinsurance and all. GIC, obligatory session of India, obligatory sessions and retention of risk within a country. Okay, so these are some core topic. So यहाँ पे like you will not get any sort of objective question. So this is something जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं इन topics के around you have to build your concept. So what I can recommend you for this particular one, there is one examination which is conducted by NICM अराउंड द इंश्योरेंस सर्टिफिकेशंस. ठीक है, तो आप उनको अगर उनके कंटेंट से भी अगर आप स्टडी करते हैं, दैट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. ठीक है, तो एनआईसीएम के कुछ सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज होते हैं. तो जो भी कैंडिडेट्स आपका जो एजेंट्स प्रोफाइल पे काम करते हैं लाइफ या जनरल इंश्योरेंस के लिए, दे डू हैव डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सर्टिफिकेट, एंड वहीं पे आपको एक जनरल इंश्योरेंस के बारे में मिल जाएगा. दैट सर्टिफिकेट or the course content, I'm not suggesting go for any certification, just those PDFs are already available on the internet. Okay, so if you go for those particular PDFs and all, that will help you to build your concepts around this particular one. तो इतना additional study आपको करना है and you will be eligible for your ADA assistant manager also. ठीक है, so by putting some additional efforts, if you cover one more regulatory body, so I'll highly recommend this particular one. Go for that particular one because you already prepare for the other part of this particular examination. All right, तो बहुत जल्दी आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा AM के लिए. एंड इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ. तो रेगुलर बेसिस पे थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करें. तो जैसे ही आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आए उस दौरान आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करके you can you can crack this particular one also. All right, and if you guys are having any queries around the insurance sector or related this particular notification and all, so you can mention into the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with those particular queries also. All right, so this is it from my side, guys. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. Bye bye, take care all, and wish you all the very best for your preparation. Thank you.